Hello my little ones, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. I am Sujata ma'am and today in our numeracy space we'll learn a new number name. But before starting with our new number name, let us first revise the number names which I have already done, that is 0 to 5. Children, do you know that everything has its own name? Like you have your name. That is how the numbers have their name. So children, let us revise the names of the given numbers, that is 0 to 5. Which number is this? 0. What is its number name? Z-E-R-O 0. Z-E-R-O 0. What is its value? 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. Now, which number is this? Yes, what is its name? 1. O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. 1 means one thing. This is one ice cream. 1 means one thing. Now which number is this? What is its name? Its name is 2. T-W-O 2. T-W-O 2. What is its value? Two things, that is 1 and 2. 2 balloons. 1 and 2. 2 balloons. Now which number is this? This is number 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. What is its value? Its value is 3 things, that is 1, 2, 3. 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3. 3 flowers. Now, which number is this? What is its number name? Its name is 4. F-O-U-R 4. F-O-U-R 4. What is its value? Its value is 4 things. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, which number is this? This is number 5. F-I-V-E 5. F-I-V-E 5. What is its value? Its value is 5 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pencils. Children, now we have revised number names of numbers 0 to 5. Now let us learn the new number. After revising number names 0 to 5, let us start with our new number name, that is 6. S-I-X 6. Now I will show you number name 6 and its value. Children, now today we will learn a new number. Do you know which number is this? Yes, I think you know. What is the name of this number? This is number 6. S-I-X 6. What is the number name of this number? It is number 6. S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. Now let us see its value. There are 6 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 things or 6 objects. There are 6 candies. Again, number 6. Its number name is S-I-X 6. And 6 objects, 6 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Children, I hope you understood the number name 6. S-I-X 6. Children, now after learning the spelling of number name 6, now let us write it in our maths classwork book, page number 112. Children, now let us write number 6 in our maths classwork book. And first we'll write the date, that is 8.2.21. That is 8th of February 2021. Number 6. S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. Children, first we will write number 6 over here. Number 6. Now we'll start writing the number name. S I X 6. C curve, reverse C curve S, standing line and a dot I, slanting line, reverse slanting line. X 6. S I X 6. S I X 6. S I X 6. S I X 6. Children, this is how you will complete the whole page at home. Remember, whenever you write the number name, you speak the spelling with writing. So you will remember the number name properly. Children, I hope you have learned how to write number name 6 and its spelling. Now we will do a small exercise in our maths classwork book, page number 125. Children, now let us do an exercise in our maths classwork book, page number 125. First, we'll write the date 8.2.21. That is 8th of February 2021. Help the bird find its nest. Draw a line by joining the red stars to trace the path. See children, there are many shapes over here like square, diamond, triangle, circle, rectangle, star. We have to find out only the stars. What is the colors of the stars? Yes, they are red in color. So where are the red stars? Let us see. See, these are the red stars. If we go this way, there is a circle. So the bird will not reach the nest. But we'll find another way. Start from here, this way, again. See, yes, this way the bird will reach the nest. So now let us start and join the stars. Down, on the right, again come down, on the left, again come down, again on the left, come down, on the right. See, you help the bird to reach the nest. Very good. Children, I hope you will do the exercise the way I have taught you. Children, what did we learn today? Yes, we learned number name 6. S-I-X 6. I hope you will revise it properly at home. We'll meet tomorrow in our next session with some new number name. Till then, bye.